The average American eats about 90 wings per year. In fact, most Americans can eat about 12 wings per sitting. The average chicken wing is about 140 calories without sauce. What do you think the most popular sauce to dip our chicken wings is? Yeah, it's ranch. It's followed closely by blue cheese. I'm a blue cheese guy myself. What's your favorite dipping sauce for chicken wings? Leave it in the comments below. So that's what this video is about. It's all about doing some chicken wings and perfecting the skin. I'm super glad you stopped by the channel. I'm Mike and you're at Delmarva Backyard. Let me show you how to use an air fryer to get some incredible wings. So here we go. The first step to perfect wings is a brine. We're gonna bring a medium pot of water to a soft boil, and we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of salt, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're gonna stir that in, make sure that none of it sits on the bottom, make sure it all dissolves into that boiling water real well. Now I'm gonna take this Cosmos original chicken injection. You can use whatever kind of seasonings you'd like. Get them into the boiling water, mix it in. This is just gonna get a lot of flavor deep down into the meat of these wings. Now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this Morton's Tender Quick. And this is gonna really amplify this brine and bring everything together real nicely. Stir it in, make sure everything's blended real well. Now I'm gonna prepare an ice bucket, and that's because I wanna make sure this brine is between 35 and 38 degrees before I put my chicken wings in. I'm gonna give it at that temperature for food safety reasons, and I'm gonna put all my chicken wings in, and put it in the refrigerator for about 4 or 5 hours. So I had the chicken wings in the brine sitting in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. Now it's a very important step to make sure we get some nice crisp skin, and that is to lay them out, pat them dry. You want to get all the moisture off them that you can. And then we're going to put some salt on them, and then we're going to put them back in the refrigerator just like this and kind of dry the skin out just sitting in the refrigerator. We're gonna put them in there for about an hour, hour and a half. All right, after an hour and a half, I'm gonna take them out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my favorite rub, which is the bone-sucking sauce. And I'm gonna put a real liberal coat on these guys. I'm gonna get a nice liberal coat on one side, flip them over, and then I'm gonna put a nice liberal coat on the other side. Now that we have our chicken wings all seasoned down, we're gonna go ahead and put them back in the refrigerator for another hour. And that's gonna, again, let that skin dry out even more. I'm cooking with the NuWave 6-quart air fryer. I'm preheating to 400 degrees. You can cook with whatever air fryer you have. They're all gonna do a fairly good job. Let's go ahead and get these chicken wings out of the refrigerator. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys cooked. All right, so kind of important here. Like I said, this is a 6-quart air fryer, and air fryers come in all different sizes. The most important thing here is you don't want to crowd your wings. You don't want to stack them on top of each other. You want a nice crispy skin, and if you stack them on top of each other, they're not going to come out very well. So just one layer, and then if you have to do multiple batches, do multiple batches. Really doesn't matter what side you put up or down, because that little wire screen there is going to let air circulate all around. You can see we're going to go for 15 minutes. And at the end of 15 minutes, oh my goodness, look at that.
Our wings are gonna be somewhere between 180 and 190. And they're gonna be perfect. I want you to look at the moisture on these wings, and you can't tell the texture, but I'm telling you, these wings are crisp. These are amazing wings. This air fryer is something special when it comes to chicken wings. These things are ready to be tossed in sauce, and they are going to be phenomenal. Kitchen gadgets all have their perfect application. You know, they're good at some things, they aren't good at others. I'm telling you right now, air fryers are incredibly good when it comes to chicken wings. If you have an air fryer, you need to cook chicken wings. If you love chicken wings, you need to consider getting an air fryer.
I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.